Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about the introduction of Figma. First, open your browser. You can use any browser for this. And search Figma. Figma is a unique and easy tool you can learn quickly. Figma is a web application for interface design. You can design website and application here, and you can make animation, picture, and many more. We will learn everything about Figma one by one. You can use Figma online, or you can download Figma from the download option. It's totally free to use, and you can also apply for Figma's educational plan. Figma's interface is very easy. Here at the left side, you have some options like your favorite file. The files you add here will appear here. The second option here is Teams. The teams you created will appear here. Now, this is FigJam templates we will talk about later in another video. Here, we'll just give you a quick overview. Here you have brainstorm option, diagram, planning, meeting. These are templates and we will talk about it later. In this video, we will see the basics you need to know about Figma to understand the upcoming tutorials about this. Here, at the right corner of the top, you have an import option. You can import files from here. This is the FigJam option. And here is the design file option. Click the team where you want to create a file. Like this. Now, you have a new file. Here you can create your design. You can rename your file like this. Follow the steps on screen. Here are the options to create your design. You can press F from the keyboard to add a frame. You have a lot of options in the frame where you can create a custom frame, or you choose from the right side. Here you have options like phone and other options to design. Here is a tablet option. Also a desktop option. Right here, a presentation option, a watch option also, a page option, social media option as well to design posts, Figma community option, and also an archive option. There are a lot of frames you can select according to your requirements. You can also rename the frame like this. You have a lock and hide options, asset options, and layers options. At here, you have a move and scale option. The shortcut key for the move tool is V, and for the scale tool, it's K. Next we have a frame option, section option, and a slice option. For frame shortcut key is F. For section it's Shift plus S, and for slice short key is S. Here you have a rectangle shape. The shortcut key is R. For line shortcut key is L. The arrow short key is Shift plus L. You can draw an arrow. Ellipse shape short key is O. You have also a polygon shape and a star shape as well. You can add an image or video also. You can use these tools and shapes to design everything. Now here is a pencil tool you can write with. This shortcut key is Shift plus P. You have a pen tool. You can use it like this. You can press P to use it. In Figma, every shortcut key is written with the tool. You can add text and customize everything like this. Now here are options. You can change the size, font. You can change it according to your requirements. You can also add color effects like gradient and other effects. We will learn it later. Now here, I will tell you how to add solid color. You can see on screen and follow these steps. Now you have here a component option, plugin. You can add a plugin from here. Here is a widgets option as well. This hand option to move the page around. This is a comment option. For example, if you send your file to the team, they will add comments like this to tell you what they want. From these comments, you will know what they want you to change. Right here, you can mark the comments like this. From the left side, you can select hide or also delete objects. Right here is developer mode. We will discuss this later. You have a preview option. You can zoom in and zoom out from here. Or you can press Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl to zoom out. If you have any questions, comment down here or at my Instagram. I will answer your questions. You can share your file from here or you can publish it to FigJam. We will talk about these things while creating design, as this video was just to give an introduction of how you can use it as a complete beginner to make it easy to understand upcoming tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to learn more about this. See you in the next video.